We'll guide you through how to make mask yellow text After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create bright yellow text effects with media inside using Adobe After Effects. It helps them make eye-catching titles for videos, social media posts, and promos. This technique improves visual impact by combining color styling, masking, and glow effects, making text designs more attractive, modern, and engaging without complex workflows. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, select the text tool and type your text in the composition window. After typing, change the text color to yellow so it becomes the main visual style of the design. Adjust the font, size, and position so the text is clearly visible and well-centered. If needed, import an image or video into the project panel and place it below the text layer in the timeline so it can be used as the visual fill. After that, select the media layer and locate the track matte column in the timeline panel. If it is not visible, switch the timeline view to show modes. In the track matte dropdown, choose alpha matte using the yellow text layer so the media will only appear inside the shape of the text. Once applied, the image or video will be masked inside the yellow text, creating a filled text effect. Next, enhance the look by adding a glow effect to the text or media layer to make the yellow appear brighter and more cinematic. Adjust glow settings until the effect looks smooth and visually appealing. After that, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the media fits properly inside the text and the glow effect enhances the design. Make any adjustments if needed to positioning, color intensity, or effects. Once everything looks correct, save your project to preserve your work. Finally, add the composition to the render queue, then click Render to export the final video.